Good afternoon, folks. It's Crazy Ira again from Firkins Chrysler Jeep and Dodge in Bradenton. It's Jeep Adventure Days. And if you want to take advantage, here you go. 2015 Jeep Wrangler. As you can see, it's hydro blue in color. This has the 3.6 liter Pentastar engine, which is the preferred engine. This is a two-door soft top. It's got 17-inch alloy wheels. It also has the big bumper on the front. That's a metal bumper, not the standard bumpers that come with it. And a push bar. As you can see, this car even has running boards. This car only has 22,092 miles on it. That's right, 22,092 in miles. This has Bluetooth for your cell phone, one owner car, clean Carfax. It will be a certified vehicle, and it's a 6-speed manual transmission. It also has a factory soft top that's tinted to cut down on some of the heat inside. Also has a black filler door cover. And it also has a metal bumper in the back. It's got seating for 4. This thing is absolutely brand new in the wrapper. Also has a trailer hitch on the back. You gotta call me, Ira Salem, 845-304-3914. You're gonna only find this vehicle at Firkins.